The Chinese classrooms are equipped with artificial intelligence cameras and brain trackers that has sparked a mixed response among parents and educators. New artificial intelligence technologies are rapidly changing the way children in China use the internet. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. While these technologies are often viewed as tools to enhance academic performance and monitor student engagement, they have also raised significant concerns for many children. A report says over 20% of children in China's cities use AI devices. For some students, the surveillance aspect of these devices creates anxiety and fear, turning the classroom environment into a source of stress rather than a place of learning. This dual perspective highlights the ongoing debate about the role of technology in education and its impact on student well-being. The report found that usage of AI-enabled devices has rapidly grown among minors in urban areas in particular. The survey findings reveals that over 45% of minors have interacted with AI-powered products at least once, highlighting the growing integration of technology in their lives. Notably, 20.5% of minors in urban areas are reported using AI-enabled devices, whereas only 8.1% of their rural counterparts are using AI-enabled devices. This disparity underscores the urgent need for educational initiatives aimed at teaching children how to use AI safely and effectively, as well as addressing the widening AI gap between urban and rural regions. The reliance on smartphones further emphasizes the importance of equipping children with the knowledge and skills to navigate the digital landscape responsibly. Concerns regarding the impact of AI technology on minors have been escalating in China. The technology not only monitors students' behavior and attentiveness in class, but also reports these observations directly to the parents. For instance, AI systems can inform parents if their children is sleeping in class or whether they were engaging during lessons. Parents also play a vital role in guiding their children on the healthy use of AI devices. It is essential for families to foster open conversations about technology, helping minors understand its benefits and risks, while ensuring that their engagement with AI remains balanced and positive. Let's look into today's headlines. Cisco sets up its first manufacturing facility in Chennai. Cisco has opened its first manufacturing facility in Chennai as part of its effort to boost its local production capabilities. With this move, Cisco aims to generate over $1.3 billion annually and enhance both exports and domestic production. The project, which is expected to create 1,200 jobs in Tamil Nadu, is a partnership between Cisco and Flex. The company plans to produce top-tier routing and switching products at the site to meet growing demands. Tata and PSMC sign pact for Rs 91,000 crore Dholera chip plant in the presence of Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with the leadership team of Tata Sons and PSMC to discuss semiconductor manufacturing projects in the country. This comes in the wake of Tata Electronics concluding an agreement with the Taiwanese power chip company for technology support to the tech major's Dholera wafer fab. As per the agreement, PSMC will provide design and construction support to build India's first AI-enabled greenfield fab in Gujarat. Google enhances AI tools for advertisers. Google unveiled updates to its Notebook large language model and enhanced its capabilities on YouTube aimed at boosting advertisers and brand engagement. These new capabilities reflect Google's continued push to integrate AI-driven solutions across its platforms, empowering advertisers with more personalized, efficient, and creative tools. The new AI model will now offer enhanced predictive capabilities, enabling brands to develop targeted ad content that resonates more deeply with individual audiences. Apple drops out of negotiations to join OpenAI investment round. Apple has reportedly left negotiations to participate in an OpenAI funding round expected to raise about $6.5 billion. The tech giant recently fell out of the talks for the round set to close next week, where other firms such as Microsoft and Nvidia are also in talks to participate. Microsoft is expected to invest about $1 billion after having already poured $13 billion into the company. Meta hit with $102 million privacy fine over the 2019 password security lapse. The European Union has imposed a fine worth more than $100 million on Meta over a security lapse involving passwords for Facebook users. The watchdog started investigating the social media giant in 2019 after it was notified that some passwords had been inadvertently stored internally in plain text, which means they weren't encrypted and it was possible for employees to search for them. This is the latest in a series of hefty fines for Meta. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.